So what I'm going to do is add a dummy. We'll call this dummy sun. This is the sun that we're moving. And we're going to place the dummy, oops, let's get the movement on. I'm going to place the dummy over here on the right hand side of the screen. Sorry, left hand side of the screen. In my scene, I'm going to create a custom interface. I'm going to do it slightly differently this time. I'm going to make it a 3D interface and I'm going to attach it to that dummy sun. As before, I'm going to use the transparent square to make sure the interface is transparent. And then I'm just going to set it to be, I've got 100 by 100, that'd be fine. Open the configuration window, it's nice and small. Add my sun, the child, we'll fill it to the size of the box, we'll make it a picture, and we will make sure it's on fit. Single frame, doesn't matter about frames per second. I'm going to make sure we use the happy sun, but not the animated one. Press OK. And press OK on there. Okay, so now what I need to do is create the animation. So I'm going to use objects and object track. The source that I'm tracking is the dummy sun. I'm going to turn loop off. You'll see why in a second. I'm going to add 3 keys. So I'm just going to press this 3 times. I'm going to put the third key at 100%. I'm going to put the second key at 50%. Now you can have more keys, different type of animation, but this makes it fairly smooth. So I've done that. Now what I need to do is position where my things are. So we'll start at the beginning and we'll say, right, okay, that's going to start there. We're going to go to the second position. I'm going to move it across and up. Well, it's sort of central-ish, so I'm going to go about there. And then at my, this will be a bit of trial and error, and then at my third position, I'm going to place it over there. So we've got this up and down movement, hopefully. So obviously we can play with this in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to press apply, OK, and then let's see what it looks like. There's our sun moving across the screen. Okay, you see how it appears to be getting further away. That is purely because when I've done the positioning, let's go back onto the object track, and I positioned it, I am further away because I've not quite got it straight. So we're getting that, it's going back a little bit and then down. So a bit of fiddling, you can get that to be about perfect. Just play it again. There we go. Now if I wanted to make this an animated version, all I would do is go to my custom interface, picture, and I'll change the picture to be on there, back to 4 frames, say 15 frames per second. Got our animation there. Apply that. Okay, so let's press play. We've got our animated moving across. Or she's still going to animate at the end. So that's how we do a simple animation. If you found this useful, feel free to buy me a coffee.